That's just a lot of money. Totally get it. What's a good next step on my end? Is there any way you can give me a discount on the program? No. All right, let's go ahead and do it, right? And by the way, when you guys get into that one, well, is there any way you can give me a discount on the program? Best response, a polite no. Because the minute you saw, well, I can't really do that because I've done that in the past. The minute you show any way that, forget even water, that it's got to be airtight, that air even gets in there, you ain't getting the deal right now. I'm not saying you're not going to get the deal ever, but you're not getting the deal right now. Because the minute you go, well, we don't do that, and typically means I can do it if you bug me around a lot, right? Typically, I don't do that kind of thing means I'm going to do it for you. I just need you to be rude and obnoxious and aggressive to me, and then you'll make it happen, right? We train people to be obnoxious to us. If you are worried about your career in sales, you should be. Over the last 3 weeks, I've been brought into 7 of the top employers of sales professionals just like you. And there's a common theme with every single company that we're going to start seeing right now. Sales reps are either going to get removed, their job is going to be gone, they're going to be replaced, they're looking for new people that do it, or they're going to be rewarded. We've entered an age where you simply can't depend on your company to keep giving you handouts and support. You need to take matters into your own hands. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales training in the world. We're going to show you how to prospect, how to close, how to negotiate. We're going to show you how to make twice as much as you're making right now in sales within 60 days. You're going to have access to an online learning portal, and you're going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You're going to be around top performers from every single industry, people that are making mid-6 figures and even 7 figures a year in sales. Click the link here to learn how you are about to become a certified master sales consultant. While everybody else is worrying about their jobs being removed, while everybody else is worrying about somebody coming in and replacing them, you are about to be rewarded. If you're excited about your career as a certified master sales consultant, you should be. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.